Hello guys, welcome back to today's video. We are looking at the Karia Scholarship due to popular demand. I made a short about this video, about this scholarship, and I think I need to make a video on it, on how to do the application process. So we are going to look at it very quickly, okay? And you can see here, fee, status, your country or region, all nationality, level, postgraduate thoughts, that means masters, the value of the scholarship, tuition fee plus 11,000 pounds, deadline May. Two Karia scholarships are generously funded by the Karia Fund and the University of Stirling Management School in memory of Karia, the graduate of the MS in Investment Analysis. Each scholarship would meet the course tuition fee and also provide a maintenance award, 11,000. Maintenance award will be paid in 2 installments, half in September and half in January. Okay. So this eligibility, the scholarship is only open to people that want to study MS Investment Analysis. Okay, how to apply? You complete the online application. This is simple, ensuring that all sections are legibly. Okay, as part of the application, you will be asked to provide a statement of up to 700 words outlining why the scholarship would help you and what your career or educational aims are for the 5-year period after you graduate from the investment analysis course. Okay. So the next thing I want us to look at, of course, so if you click on this form, you'll be able to fill in the form. But there is a caveat. You need to have obtained unconditional offer. Okay. You need to have obtained an unconditional offer. Now, how do you do that? You first of all need to apply to the university. But let's look at different scholarship we can get from this university. Okay. Now, you can see here you have different scholarship as well. So basically, if we go back, because I want to show you how you can do this one. Once you come down, you can see here, see all scholarship. So if you right click and click on open new tab, that will take you to this page. Okay. If you have the talent, ability, and drive to study with us, we want you to make the most of the opportunity and we want to help you in your finances. Find a scholarship. So you just filter fees, status, international students, including EU, subject, if you have a particular subject you want, postgraduate thoughts, or you click on undergrad or postgraduate research, country, you can click. If I say any, that means all the countries. Okay, you can see I display 1 to 10 of 26 results. 1 to 10. Then you click again, next, and you will see everything. Okay? So many other scholarships here. So if you can click on this, be the difference postgraduate international scholarship. This is another one. 7,000 tuition fee waiver for the first year of master's degree and open to full-time self-funding students. So I have just applied filters here, international and postgraduate. Okay, and you can see this again, EU postgraduate scholarship, postgraduate Indian scholarship, postgraduate Pakistan scholarship, into Stirling progression scholarship, Commonwealth share scholarship, 8 awardees, postgraduate East Asian scholarship, postgraduate Ghana scholarship, postgraduate Kenya scholarship, postgraduate Nigeria scholarship. So you can see all, load more results. You can click on this one and see most of the scholarship. There are lots and lots of scholarships here. Okay. Now, say, as I told you, before you get the scholarship, you have to, first of all, apply to the university. So if you click on study, you guys click on this one and open new tab. That's going to take you to this page next. I'm going here. It will take you to this page. Okay. So let's go back. If you come to this one, you click on Napier Scholarship is open to applicants. If you guys click on this one and open new tab, you click on this new tab, that will take you to this page. Sorry, to take you to this page. So you want to apply now. Okay. Now, if you click on this, you get this one, investment, MS Investment Analysis. Apply now, inquire now. Now you just come down here. I read about all the facts. Read about this. Now, if you come to this, you can see the overview. You get everything about the scholarship. About this program, investment analysis. The entry requirement. This is key academic requirement. You need to have a second-class honors degree or equivalent. Okay? Applicants without this formal qualification but with significant, appropriate, or relevant work or life experience are encouraged to apply. Okay? Now you can see here, international entry requirements. The only thing they talk about here is your English language. Okay, if you are not from an English-speaking country, then you have to provide either an IELTS or TOEFL or Duolingo. Okay, if you are from an English-speaking country, you don't need to provide anything like that. Simple. You can see English language. So you see, if English is not your first language, you must have one of the following qualifications as evidence of your English language skills: IELTS, Pearson, TOEFL. Okay, so that's it. And so once you're okay with the qualification, you can click on course details if you want. Once you are okay with all of this, you just click on apply now. You can see here. Okay, this again, you guys click and open a new tab. Now, when you click on apply now, it will take you to this one. This is how you apply for the course. Okay, course application, University of Stirling. Get started. Who are you applying for? I am applying for myself. You click on this. Do you require a visa to study in the UK? Yes, you click on this one. Then first name, this is basically to create your account. You start application, click on start application. About me, my education, you fill in this information here. Okay. You need to complete the get started section before you get access to this, as you can see here. So once you fill in get started, you fill in this one, you come to the next one about me. Simple. You can just one sitting. You can do all of this. Okay. Now, once you are done, the other thing I told you about is applying for the scholarship now. But you need to have unconditional offer first. And UK, within 1 week, you can get that. Okay. Now, once you have all of that, you can apply. You can click on apply now. How to apply? Complete the online application. Now, if you click on this one, complete the online application, you can right click on this and open a new tab. That brings you to this one. You just fill in this information. Okay, Kapia Scholarship 2025 eligibility. I confirm that's blah 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 for this course. You click on next. 1 of 8. You fill in all the information. Once you confirm, you click on next. It opens up surname. You fill in all this information. Simple, so simple to apply. You click on next. You go to 3 of 8 and until you get to 8 of 8. And that's it. Simple as that to apply for this scholarship. I'm going to leave the link for this page so you don't have to go to Google stress to type University of Stirling. I'm going to leave it and it will take you directly to this page. Okay. See you in my next video. Please, even if this is not for you, share it so we have more people coming to the channel. Okay, so that when I share another opportunity, it might be fortunate for you. Okay, see you in my next video. Bye bye for now. Until then, this is Manageable Life Abroad. Don't forget to share, like, and please subscribe.